Hey guys, Tashi Delek everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make overnight long puri recipe. Not only puri recipe, I'm going to show you full breakfast recipe. So hopefully you guys enjoy this recipe, and let's get started how to make this recipe. So first I'm going to show you how to make the dough. We need yogurt. So here I'm using half cup of yogurt, 1.5 cup water, and salt and flour. So flour here I use 500 grams and 1.5 teaspoon baking powder. After add the all ingredient, mix well. The dough should be need to make a little soft dough, not so hard dough. Now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of cooking oil and apply to all of the dough. So once the dough making done, after that just cover and just leave it for overnight. Okay, first we're going to boil the tomato. So I'm gonna just cut like this so we can just boil easy. And we're gonna add water. And next I'm gonna use the garlic and onion. Add just a little bit salt. The salt is according to taste you have to add. Cover and let them boil until tomato not become soft. Now I'm gonna just blend it, the tomato. You can just cut or you can chop. Now my tomato puree is ready. See. Now all ingredient is ready, so tomato puree also ready. And second it's coriander leaves. And here is the boiled potato. I'm gonna use with these two today. I'm gonna mix it with this. Okay, now first we're going to add half teaspoon of fenugreek seed. After brown color, now we're going to add tomato puree. Half teaspoon chili powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, and half teaspoon salt. Okay, now finally we're going to add potato. We're gonna add root first, after that mix first this. Now finally we're going to add chili and coriander leaves. Now we don't need to cook too much because already cooked and coriander doesn't need to cook long time. Now it's ready. So here is our puri dough. So my puri is little thick and it's going to be little bit big size. So according to size, it's up to you how you like. And today puri was little long puri. It's a little bit long puri I thought to make, not the round one. Okay, just the simple. And just on the middle I'm gonna just cut it, make a little bit long ball. Now my puri is ready for fry. So on one side I already heat my oil. So if you need soft puri, then make sure to not over fry. So if you over fry, then when you eat, that time your puri is become crunchy. So I don't like crunchy puri, so I like soft puri. Now everything is ready. Now it's ready to eat. Actually, this when you eat the puri, you have to eat on time. Otherwise, it's not tasty. It will be later. It will become very oily, and you don't feel like to eat. Okay, guys. So let me show you how puri was soft. Can you see my puri is very soft and it's very fluffy. Okay. Wow. Yes. It's good. It's good taste, so you should try this. I will recommend you. You will love it. So go with this puri. You can eat anything. If you don't want to eat like potato, if you don't like this potato recipe, so you can just see many recipe in my channel. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I already enjoy my breakfast and hopefully you also enjoy this breakfast. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and for bringing more recipe, please guys share with your friends and family. And thank you for watching my video, and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye.